everybody, in this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to add presenter notes in Canva, perfect for keeping your talking points ready during your presentation. So let's get started. You can start by opening up your Canva presentation in canva.com. For example, let's say this is a presentation I would like to add up a note to. You can also go ahead and access it on your screen like this. Once you access it, you can go over to the notes section. Now at the bottom of your screen, you will be seeing a small panel that's in notes in this section right here. If you do not see it, you can click on the view option in the top in order to see it. After that, find it up and click on notes. And that should open up this page right here. So you can add notes for different pieces, different kind of notes for each pieces. So for example, let's say this is the note I would like to add on page 1. And for page 2, you can select another note. You can just go over and add up another notes regarding your presentation that is currently right now. So you can see I have added it. And inside the note box, you can type in your script, different kind of reminders, or different kind of key points. And remember that these notes won't be visible to the audience. It will be only visible to you during the presentation. And once you do so, you can just go ahead and use the presenter's view. So you can look out for the notes like this. And if you've already added a note in your presentation, you can look out for this option right here and present the full screen first. And once you open up the full screen, you just need to go ahead and turn on this option called presenter view. So you can turn it on. And once you turn it on, you will be finding your notes and your presentation available. So this is my presentation right here. And on my right hand side, you can see my note that I already added before. So you can also go ahead and view it. You can look out for that for different slides available. And as I said, this side of your screen won't be available to the audience, so you do not have to worry about that, what you will be adding on the side of the screen. You can even use the second monitor to drag the audience to the window to the screen and keep your notes viewed on your main screen. And that's it. Now you know how to add and use presenter notes in Canva like a pro. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.